My name is Mike McGrath Construction. I do full service GC. I started working with Norfolk Kitchen Bath probably about 3 years ago. I met with Nicola. I was very impressed actually, but it was just the ease of working with a good designer that actually knows the needs of a contractor and a homeowner. It makes such a difference. The installation drawings are accurate. Products come right out of the box, flawless. 99% of the time, flawless. Any problems I have with design, any problems I have with product, they're repaired or replaced instantly. We deal with companies that just want to beat you up all the time. With Norfolk Kitchen Bath, there's been no such thing as waiting days for an answer or wait till I talk to management to resolve this. It's just solved by the designer, one person. I've worked with different kitchen companies before I got to Norfolk, and to be honest, I seem to know more than they did about their product. I would recommend Norfolk Kitchen Bath to any contractor. The attention of detail, the ease of working with designers, the range of cabinetry, the range of styles to suit every budget, the quality and craftsmanship of their products. Norfolk Kitchen Bath satisfy all my needs. It makes such a difference, and that's what I really do like about it.